Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this 8J TTRS in for a custom stage 2 ECU map and large bore downpipe install. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss any of our new videos go live. So installing the custom stage 2 ECU software, the large bore downpipe, basically removing the biggest restriction in the exhaust system so we can install the stage 2 ECU software. So the stage 2 ECU software is going to optimize the fuel and ignition boost and all the other maps inside the ECU for use with the large bore downpipe, and also turn the check engine light off, which is to do with the emission systems, and leaves everything else intact. So we're going to be doing a before dyno in a second, just to see what the baseline is, installing the parts, a dyno afterwards as well. We'll compare the before and after power and torque figures, and then show you what the exhaust sounds like at the moment versus what it's like when we install the downpipe as well. So see you on the dyno a little bit later on. So we're on the dyno after installing the RSS Stage 2 ECU software and the aftermarket downpipe on this car. So obviously this car is still running the factory intercooler and factory intake. So obviously power and torque gain is going to be a little bit limited with regards to the tuning. But even in that case, massive gains all the way across the rev range, as you can see behind me. So behind me you've got the graphs, you've got the standard as the car arrived this morning, and then what the car's leaving us with today, with the dotted lines being as the car arrived with us, and then the solid lines being as the car's leaving. The blue lines are the torque, the red lines are the horsepower. So in terms of peak standard horsepower, this car was making around 350 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque. Now the power's been lifted to 410 horsepower, and then the torque's been lifted from that 350 foot-pounds all the way to 430 foot-pounds, so massive gains all the way across the rev range. With the maximum gains being around 90 foot-pounds, and then maximum horsepower gains about 84 horsepower. And this particular car is making standard power at 4,200 RPM now, so everything above that is just pure gains in terms of horsepower. So this car's all finished now, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.